Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Scotiabank is selling its banking operations in 9 Caribbean territories to Trinidad-based company Republic Financial Holdings. The announcement came this morning as Scotiabank moves ahead with what appears to be a regional restructuring plan. Republic Financial Holdings will acquire the Scotiabank operations at a cost of $123 million. That price represents the $25 million consideration for the total shareholding of Scotiabank Anguilla and a premium of $98 million over net asset value for operations in the remaining 8 countries. At a meeting this morning, trade unionists accused Scotiabank of job trafficking in the region. The unions also argue that Scotiabank is moving its operations to jurisdictions which aren't unionized.
In an effort to arrive at new revenue measures and pursue their corporate greed agenda, they have embarked on a new medium that we call job trafficking, where you uproot jobs from one territory and place it in another territory for your own pecuniary advantage to realize profit. Job trafficking by multinationals must stop.
In response, President and CEO of Scotiabank Jamaica, David Noel, says the company is simply moving to improve its operational efficiency. In the meantime, the government in Anguilla and Guyana have expressed unease at the announcement that Scotiabank is selling its operation in their countries. The Anguilla and Barbuda government said it was deeply disappointed that the decision was made without any form of consultation with the regulators or the finance minister. The Guyana government said the agreement raises a number of issues for the banking sector in Guyana and for the public, with which the Ministry of Finance and the Bank of Guyana and the government of Guyana will need to carefully consider. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.04. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $96.30. The pound, it's going for $162.81, while the euro is being sold for $144.97 on average. The JSE index gained 9,634 points today, while the junior market index lost 82 points. Among the winners today, Barita Investments, Elite Diagnostic, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, Kingston Wharves, and Main Event Entertainment. Now among the losers were 1834 Investments, Access Financial, Berger Paints, Caribbean Cement, Derrimon Trading, Everything Fresh, JMMB Group, and Key Insurance. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in December went up by 50 cents to settle at $52.09 a barrel. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.